beginners think buying a house is the goal, but real estate investors, we speak a whole different language. Equity, leverage, cash flow. Learn it right and you can turn any property into a passive income machine. Let's break down the basics investors need to know, not just homeowners. Whether you're working on your first deal in Brooklyn or scaling in Stanford, this is how we speak the language of real estate wealth. What is the property type? When you hear single family home or SFH, we're talking about a standard 1-unit property, but it is 2 doors, that is a duplex. 4, that is a fourplex. And anything above that is multifamily. The more doors, the more potential income. What is a mortgage for investors? If you are buying a $500,000 duplex in Queens, you are not paying cash. You are using a loan. With a DSCR loan, we don't look at your W-2s. We look at the property's income to qualify you. Let's say you put 20% down or 100,000. Your mortgage is 400,000. At around 7% interest rate, your payment will be around $2,800 per month. Rent versus mortgage equal cash flow. Now, you lease each unit for $2,000. That is $4,000 monthly income. After your $2,800 mortgage, you have got $1,200 left over. That is positive cash flow. And that is how DSCR loans help you scale. Equity is your wealth multiplier. Bought that property for $500,000 and it appraises for $580,000. You have got $80,000 in equity. That is leverage you can use for your next deal in Jersey or refinancing in heaven. PITI, know your full payment. Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Don't just calculate your mortgage. Always know your full monthly cost. In New York, New Jersey, taxes and insurance can make or break your deal's cash flow. Buy low, sell high. That is what my grandpa always used to say. But rent smart too. Sure, appreciation matters, but for investors, cash flow pays the bills. Appreciation is the bonus. So buy with equity, structure it with cash flow, and always run your numbers. I'm gonna give you a real world example of a DSCR in action. One of my clients just closed on a 3-family in Bridgeport, Connecticut, using a DSCR loan. No tax returns, no W-2s. We qualify him based on the rental income. Closed in 21 days, and he walked away with $800 per month net cash flow. That is how we built wealth with creative financing. If you found this helpful, follow for more tips or schedule a free strategy call to see which DSCR program fit your next deal. Let's turn your next investment into real cash flow.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR loan tips and tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize your cash flow.